The Professional Alto Saxophone delivers comprehensive beginner to intermediate capability through brass construction featuring gold lacquer finish, providing excellent acoustic properties and visual aesthetics suitable for serious student musicians. The inclusive 11-reed bundle accommodates diverse embouchure preferences and reed strength requirements, enabling customization for individual musician needs. The 8 mouthpiece cushion pads provide comfortable embouchure support, reducing fatigue and improving intonation stability throughout extended practice periods. The hardshell carrying case protects instrument during transportation while facilitating convenient mobility between practice locations. We share by links in description box. The complete care kit including mouthpiece, neck strap, grease, screwdriver, and cleaning cloth provides everything necessary for maintenance and operational readiness. The high F-sharp key expands upper register accessibility, enabling advanced students to explore extended techniques. The hand-engraved bell decoration combines functional acoustics with aesthetic sophistication. The large bore design enables rich projection and full-body tone suitable for ensemble performance. The ribbed construction enhances durability and structural integrity throughout intensive use. The responsive key mechanism facilitates smooth transitions and comfortable operation. The lead-free soldering ensures safety and durability for long-term performance. The exceptional real-world customer satisfaction with 8.8 out of 10 rating demonstrates consistent performance and reliability. The outstanding value combining professional construction, comprehensive accessories, 11-reed variety pack, and complete care kit establishes this saxophone as exceptional choice for serious beginner musicians.